Hey everyone, in this video we're going to look at converting mixed numbers into improper fractions. We have three examples and the directions are to convert each mixed number into an improper fraction. Example 1 is 2 and 3/4. So I'm going to look at a visual example of this one. So this fraction says we have 2 full parts and then 3/4 of another part. So let's just think about something easy like chocolate bars. So this means I have 2 full chocolate bars and 3/4 of another one. So I'm going to visually sketch this out really quickly. So I have one full chocolate bar. I have a second full chocolate bar. And then one more. But in this final one, I only have 3/4 of it. So I only have this part, and this part. Whereas the other ones, I have all 4 parts in those first two, okay? So let's go ahead and count the parts that I have. So I have 1 part, 2 parts, 3 parts, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm not going to count this last part. So I have 11 fourths. I have 11 1/4 pieces. So my improper fraction would be 11 over 4. So in my diagram, I have 11 1/4 pieces. So our quick way of converting a mixed number into an improper fraction is a two-step process. So what we have to do is we have to multiply the number out in front. So in example 2, that number out in front is a 9. We have to multiply that by 6. So the first thing I do is 9 times 6. So I do 9 times 6. That's the first thing I do. So in this example, 9 times 6, that is 54. Well then, with that number 54, I then have to add it to the numerator. So I have to do 54 plus 5. So 54 plus 5 is 59. So that is my new numerator, 59, over the denominator, which stays the same, which is 6. So my solution, my improper fraction for example 2, is 59 over 6. Example 3, we have 5 and 7/10. We're going to repeat that same process. You multiply the number out in front, so in this case 5, by the denominator. So 5 times 10, so 5 times 10 is 50. My next step is to add that product to the numerator. So I have to add 50 with 7. So 50 plus 7 is 57. So my new numerator is 57, and I keep my denominator of 10. So 57 over 10 is my improper fraction for 5 and 7/10. Hey guys, thanks for joining us for another video, and I hope this was helpful. I'm going to put a link to the next video at the top of this screen, and any related videos I'm going to leave along the bottom. Please feel free to leave any questions or any comments or any suggestions in the comments below, and we'll see you for our next video. Thanks.